Bilingual Bees.
Hey there, fruit explorers! Are you ready for a super fun adventure? We're going to learn all about fruits today. Fruits are nature's candy. They're colorful, tasty, and so good for you. Can you believe how many different fruits there are? Some are big, some are small, some are round, some are long. And they come in so many colors. Do you like eating fruits? I sure do. They make my tummy happy and give me lots of energy. Fruits are like little packages of goodness. They have vitamins that help us grow big and strong. They also have fiber that keeps our tummies working well. And the best part? They taste so yummy. Let's think about all the fruits we know. Can you name some? There's apples, bananas, oranges, and so many more. Each fruit is special in its own way. They have different colors, shapes, and sizes. Some fruits grow on trees, while others grow on vines or bushes. Isn't that cool? Are you excited to learn more about fruits? Great! Let's go on a fruit adventure together. We'll discover all sorts of amazing things about fruits. We'll look at their pretty colors and fun shapes. We'll learn some cool facts, too. So put on your learning caps, and let's get started. Fruits are waiting for us to explore them. Wow! Did you know fruits come in all the colors of the rainbow? It's true! Let's start with red fruits. Can you think of any? There's juicy strawberries and crunchy apples. And don't forget about cherries. They're all so red and pretty. Red fruits are not just yummy, they're good for our hearts too. Now, let's look at orange fruits. Oranges are orange, of course, but there's also tangerines and apricots. These fruits are full of vitamin C. That helps keep us from getting sick. Isn't that awesome? Orange fruits are like little balls of sunshine we can eat. What about yellow fruits? Bananas are yellow and so are lemons. Pineapples are yellow too. Yellow fruits make me think of happy sunny days. They're bright and cheerful, just like you. Yellow fruits have lots of good stuff that helps our bodies stay healthy. Green fruits are next. Can you name some green fruits? There's kiwis, green apples, and green grapes. Oh, and don't forget about watermelons. They're green on the outside. Green fruits are packed with vitamins that help us grow. They're like little green superheroes for our bodies. Fruits aren't just colorful. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, too. Let's start with round fruits. Can you think of any round fruits? Oranges are nice and round. So are blueberries, but they're much smaller. Peaches and plums are round, too. Round fruits are fun because they can roll. Some fruits are long and skinny. Can you guess which ones? Bananas are a great example. They're curved and long. Cucumbers are long too, and so are carrots. These fruits are fun to hold and easy to eat. They're like nature's own snack sticks. Now, let's talk about big fruits. Watermelons are huge, aren't they? They're so big you need 2 hands to carry them. Pineapples are pretty big too. And what about pumpkins? They're so big you can even make houses out of them. Big fruits are great for sharing with friends and family. But not all fruits are big. Some are teeny tiny. Have you ever seen a blueberry? They're so small you can fit lots in your hand. Raspberries and blackberries are small too. And grapes. They're little balls of sweetness. Small fruits are perfect for snacking. You can eat a whole bunch and still want more. Did you know that tomatoes are actually fruits? It's true. Many people think they're vegetables, but they're not. Tomatoes have seeds inside, just like other fruits. Isn't that a cool fact? Next time you eat a tomato, remember you're eating a fruit. Here's another fun fact. Bananas don't grow on trees. They actually grow on giant herbs. These herbs can grow up to 25 feet tall. That's as tall as a 2-story house. Isn't that amazing? And did you know bananas are berries? But strawberries aren't. Fruit facts can be so surprising. Let's talk about apples. Did you know there are over 7,500 different kinds of apples? That's a lot of apples. Some are red, some are green, and some are yellow. Some are sweet, and some are sour. You could eat a different kind of apple every day for 20 years and still not try them all. Here's a silly fruit fact. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. That's a long time to wait for a fruit. But it's worth it because pineapples are so yummy. And here's something fun. The word orange comes from the fruit, not the other way around. So the fruit gave its name to the color. Isn't that neat? Now that we've learned so much about fruits, I have a question for you. What's your favorite fruit? Is it a juicy orange? Or maybe a sweet strawberry? Think about why you like it. Is it because of how it tastes? Or maybe you like its color or shape? There's no wrong answer. Everyone has their own favorite fruit. Have you ever tried to draw your favorite fruit? It can be lots of fun. You can use crayons or markers to make it colorful. Maybe you can draw a whole fruit bowl. You could have apples, bananas, grapes, and more. Drawing fruits is a great way to remember all the different shapes and colors we learned about. Did you know you can make yummy treats with fruits? You can make fruit salad by cutting up different fruits and mixing them together. Or you can make smoothies by blending fruits with some milk or yogurt. Fruits are so versatile. That means you can use them in lots of different ways. What's your favorite way to eat fruits? Remember, eating fruits is not just fun. It's good for you too. Fruits help you grow big and strong. They give you energy to play and learn. So next time you eat a fruit, think about all the good things it's doing for your body. And don't forget to try new fruits when you can. You might discover a new favorite. Fruits are amazing, aren't they?
Now let's try to guess what comes next. Apple, banana. Apple, banana. Apple. What comes next? That's right, banana. Great job. Which one is bigger, this one or this one? Yeah, it's this one. Which one is smaller, this one or this one? That's right, it's this one. Nice job. Now let's work on colors of the rainbow. Red. Here we have a beautiful red helicopter. Whoa, that is so cool. Look at the red helicopter flying through the air. And here we have some really pretty red flowers. Next we have orange. And we have some orange flowers. Wow. And here we have an orange hanging from a tree. Did you know that oranges grow on trees? Next we have yellow. Beautiful yellow flowers. And here we have a yellow fish. A beautiful yellow fish. Now we have green. Do you see the green bird on the tree branch? Now we have some green trees. So many green trees. Next is blue. Like the blue sky that we see every day when we look up. Blue. And here we have some beautiful blue flowers. Blue flowers. Up next is indigo. Here we have an indigo colored light bulb. And here we have an indigo-colored bird sitting on a tree. Do you see the indigo bird sitting on the tree? Last, we have violet. And here are some beautiful violet flowers. They're so pretty. And here we have some more violet flowers. Wow, I bet they smell so nice. A rainbow is made up of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainbows are so cool. They happen when light from the sun is scattered by raindrops. It's a process we call refraction. Let's do our affirmations. I am smart. I am strong. I am brave. I love to read. I am beautiful. It's okay to make mistakes. I am loved. I believe in myself. I can do hard things. I am a great listener. I love to learn. I am proud of myself. I am capable of great things. I will have a great day.
Like, comment, and subscribe.